Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Where is the line between dreaming and feeling blue? It's 4 o'clock in the evening. I haven't left my room, but the truth is, if I'm honest, I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Pull the sheets over my head, hoping change is gonna find me.
Ooh, I am really starting to drag. I'm not feeling good at all. I know that I have it, like I can just feel it in my body, but I never get as sick as they do because I don't know if I'm probably as sick. It's just that because I'm a mom and I have a job and I have things to do, I don't really allow myself to feel it. I'm like, I'm fine. I'm completely fine. But I am really feeling it. So they completely lose their appetite every single time they're sick. So I just put that pizza in the oven. It's Newman's Own everything pizza. It's got some vegetables and stuff on it, but it's also got meat, high protein. It'll fill them up. I hope they eat it. I have really struggled to get them to eat anything. Even Lou is like the most insatiable baby. She'll eat anything, and she didn't even eat her breakfast this morning, which normally she has like 2 to 3 breakfasts. So that's a really big deal. I really hope that they eat that one. The laundry just got done, so I'm going to switch that over and start the rest of the sheets. Then I have to strip Amy's bed, and I have them set up in the living room to watch The Grinch while they eat their lunch, which will hopefully be enough of a distraction that I can finish doing that before they're done. We'll see.
Remind me I'm doing nothing at all. I'm ruminating on a blank wall, but I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Can you tell me what I need? Can you tell me what you see in me? Can you tell me what I need? Can you tell me what you see in me? I just feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? It's me looking over my shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all let me you, only got you about. All those little moments. All those little moments. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on